day, Chicken Lickin sat under a tree. An apple fell and hit her on the head. What was that? Something just hit my head. The sky must be calling. I must go and tell the king. So Chicken Lickin went along and she went along and she went along and she went along until she met Henny Penny. Hello, Chicken Lickin. Where are you going? Oh, Henny Penny, the sky is calling. I must go and tell the king. Goodness me, may I come with you? Please do. So Chicken Lickin and Henny Penny went along and they went along and they went along until they met Ducky Lucky.
Hello, Chicken Lickin. Hello, Henny Penny. Where are you going?
Oh, Ducky Lucky, the sky is falling. We must go and tell the king.
Goodness me, may I come with you?
Please do. So Chicken Lickin and Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky went along and they went along and they went along until they met Goosey Lucy. Hello, Chicken Lickin. Hello, Henny Penny. Hello, Ducky Lucky. Where are you going? Oh, Goosey Lucy, the sky is falling. We must go and tell the king. Goodness me, may I come with you? Please do. So Chicken Lickin and Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy went along and they went along and they went along until they met Ducky Lucky. Hello, Chicken Lickin. Hello, Henny Penny. Hello, Ducky Lucky. Hello, Goosey Lucy. Where are you going? Oh, Turkey Lurkey, the sky is falling. We must go and tell the king. Goodness me, may I come with you? Please do. So Chicken Lickin and Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy and Turkey Lucky went along and they went along and they went along until they met Foxy Loxy. Hello, Chicken Lickin. Hello, Henny Penny. Hello, Ducky Lucky. Hello, Goosey Lucy. Hello, Turkey Lucky. Where are you going? Oh, Foxy Loxy, the sky is falling. We must go and tell the king. Goodness me, may I come with you? Please do. So Chicken Lickin and Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy and Turkey Lucky and Foxy Loxy went along and they went along and went along until they came to a dark hole. This is the shortcut to the king. Follow me, I'll go first. Certainly. Of course.
Why not?
Let's go. Wait for me.
You know that, right?
So Chicken Lickin, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, Turkey Lurkey followed the fox into the hole and they never did tell the king that the sky was